Get a youth to get a blind. Full time now, long time we are try. Full time now, the politics it without.
Otherwise, Stevie, the vibe, Steve.
I don't want to fuck your friend, girl. See? And your friend fuck your girl and you find out. What you do it for him, girl?
The wise is TV, big ups.
Reach we are already, man. And this is a drive through master and I really drive through this. Caught up we get. Building nice still, man. Like color everything set. Nice building, is it? Yeah. Yeah. Puppy. And goat in a building. We don't know that goat they get in a building. And goat in a building. I say go in man nice, I know them vibes, you know. Be a foolish, you go out and you know fool vibes. Finally. I don't know what their problem is.
Two more. Where's that? Two more. You got a 700 to give her? Pick up your soap patties. That's good. Fine. Fine and food gun. I don't want to.
Thanks. Thanks. Beautiful maypen. I mean, people have up on a drive through the town. Thanks. Drive through maypen. Stop when I beat you there. Stop that. Yeah. Alright, chicks. Oh, yeah, okay. Mm-hmm. What do you mean by that? Alright. Yeah, man. Pretty as fuck. Pretty as fuck. Catch a finger there, done in there, man. Tell him. Like him friendly to one shake and shake him and shake him now. Yeah, make a 4 pound and budget feeding them. No, 2.5 pounds, sorry. Budget feeding, 2.5 pounds. Nice. What's your name, boy? Alright, girl, what's your name? What is her name? What is her name? What is her name? What's your name? Like you want a friend with me? Friend with me. Me that? Nice. Yeah, people, this a pet shop and a maypen.
No, we can't.
I don't feel like when I want anything, I just run come grab it. You hear that? Beautiful place, nice settings and something. You see it? Everything them have up their phone. How is your name exactly? What's your name?
Manchester.
16 Manchester Avenue. So in time when I want to pet them. Huh?
Yes, right.
You can't catch a night? Can't catch a night?
You want a card?
Oh, nice. Thanks. This is it, people. I do the advertisement for free. They not pay me for this. Yeah, you mean?
Okay.
Just tell him, say, otherwise this TV sending them in town the forward. You see? That is it. Manners, you have a general? Princess? Manners, brother?
Alright.
Yeah, man. Nice fish, like a shark, don't it? What? 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 War, man, want war, you know, they're not talking. War, you want war, don't it? Big and pretty, you're Fred. Big and pretty, man. Couple $1,000 well list, man. What you cage you in? 400,000. Bunker does. 400,000. What you mean, man? 400. Watch my try pull the cage. Rotted. Watch my try pull the cage. Come out of that rotted.
Pull and come out there. Hey, let's see. I'm that pulley. That pulley.
You have a man, you take him, man, you're not losing him, man.
No, man.
See if you have all 1, 2 of them. When you're upon him at daytime with your life, oh gosh, man. Quick and fast. Yeah, man. Nah, I left him, don't it? Fuck, son. I'm pretty afraid. Take. Yeah, that's your bird, man. That's your bird, yo. So Manchester Street, that's what you see me. Same time I want to pet, I want to come and come grab on the thing. You hear that?